right outside my parents' house. By a guy who, on a coincidence, turned out to be someone I was dating at the time.
This is Jalen snoring, everybody.
You know what the first thing my aunt did was? Put a hit on him? Contrary to the popular belief, and Francis Ford Coppola film, not every opponent solves their problems by putting a hit on someone. She put a curse on him. I stand corrected. And she went out and bought a new purse, you know? She took back a little control. That's what you should do. Take back control.
I can't take control. I can't even take the bus. I don't have any money.